Did you know there are some product owners on Clickbank that actually pays you to give away their products to anyone who wants it for free? And if so, how can you also make money giving away Clickbank products for free? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all that, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find products on Clickbank that are offering to pay you up to 75% commission just for giving away their products for free to anyone interested, and how you too can promote the products for free so you can start making your own commissions on Clickbank. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in the make money online niche, you might want to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's basically a platform where product owners list their products for anyone to promote and start making money with them. You can easily find products listed on Clickbank by first clicking on the marketplace here on the top. Next is clicking on any of the categories on the left side menu, and then finally on any subcategory you are interested into to get the list of products listed on that category. But since in this case you are looking for products that will pay you just for giving the products away for free, what you have to do is make a search for free giveaways. Now, Clickbank will display all the listed products that will pay you for giving away their products for free. That means if you decide to promote any of the products listed here, since they are free giveaways, you are sure many people will want to get it, and if they do, you will make commissions doing so. So if you send people to this product page, for example, all they have to do is enter their email address and you get paid $32, and these offers are in many different niches. Here is another example of a free giveaway offer. In this case, it's not a digital product. Actually, it's something that many people would like to have for protection, especially when it's free. As you can see here, if you want to get this free neck knife, all you have to do is click on the Get Your Free Neck Knife link and then choose how many of them you would like to have, and then finish up by clicking the next button. On the checkout page, which you can see it's $0, you will again enter your email address and your shipping address, since the knife is a physical product and must be shipped to your address. Now that you've seen how easy you can make money using this strategy, let's now look at the steps you need to follow to start making it work for you. Of course, there are many different ways of promoting Clickbank offers, many of which I've been sharing on this channel. I've shown you on this channel how you can promote Clickbank offers by creating review videos and posting them on YouTube. Check out the link that pops up on the top right for more on how to use videos to promote your Clickbank offers. Some people use their blogs and website to promote Clickbank offers by simply posting blog posts and adding their affiliate links within the post. You can also, if you choose, to promote your Clickbank offers on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest. There is also a video tutorial in the YouTube cards area on this video. Check it out if you're interested. But in this video, I'm going to show you another way, and in my opinion is the easiest way to promote this type of giveaway products, and that is by using free classified ads platforms. The famous Craigslist website will be a good example of a free online classified ads platform. With millions of classified ads listed every month on Craigslist, is definitely one of the to-go websites when it comes to promoting a free ad for products, services, or virtually anything. So now, how do you go about promoting your Clickbank free giveaway on Craigslist? First is choosing the country and area you want to promote your offer in. In this case, I'll just go with the Orange County in California in the US. Next is going to the for sale category, and then on any of these subcategories that fits the product you want to promote. In this case, I'll just choose the free subcategory since the product I want to promote also is free. But again, you can choose any subcategory you wish, even if the products listed on the subcategory are paid offers. Now you can see all the listings other people have been placing under the free category in the Orange County. Now to be able to create your own post, simply click on the post link here on the top and then start following all the online steps that the website shows you. So in this case, I'll go with the temporary job offer and click the continue button below. Next is choosing the first option and hitting the continue button again. Now here is where you want to post your Clickbank free giveaway. So you want to go back to Clickbank, copy the title and the description of the offer and come back to Craigslist and paste it here. Now in the description area here, you want to add a call to action by asking anyone interested to contact you through your email address for more information. Now the email address you'll be using to create your account, which is what people will see when they want to contact you, should be an email address created just for this type of classified ads, because you'll be getting a lot of mail from many people interested. I would recommend using a Gmail account for this strategy, because with Gmail you can easily automate your response with anyone seeking for more information. Let me just show you how to do that with Gmail. Now on your Gmail account, you want to start by clicking on the gear-like image, then on the settings option. On the settings page, you want to scroll down to the vacation responder and turn it on by clicking on the second option here. On the subject area here, you want to type in something like free gift or free offer. On your responder message, you can type in something like thanks for reaching out to me. If you want to get your free offer, click the link below. Then below that, you want to add the Clickbank affiliate link of the product you are promoting. To get the affiliate link of a particular product on Clickbank, simply click on the promote button, enter your username and generate the link. Next is copying the link and head over to bit.ly to shorten it so that it looks more attractive, and then pasting it in the mail responder and save your changes. Now after doing all that, when people contact you from Craigslist using this email address, it will automatically send them this mail with your affiliate link leading them to the product you are promoting. Let's now go back to Craigslist. Now to complete your posting, you need to add the city you are targeting here and the postcode. If you don't know the postcode of the area you are targeting, simply make a search on Google, copy it and paste it in the postcode area here. Then select the no pay option and click the continue button. Now if the product you are promoting has an image, you can upload it here and publish your ad live to the millions of people visiting Craigslist. So that's how easy you can use Craigslist to make money on Clickbank by giving away free products. Hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video on making money online.